Oh, I love the smell of that smoke. Big stuff at the bottom.
And the small stuff, and make a bed of coals, and then it will start eating on the big stuff. Small
Top
stuff.
down method.
Yeah. You know what to do if you catch on fire? Drop on the ground and roll around.
If something ever gets on fire on you, you drop on the ground and you roll around like a dog. and it'll hopefully rub out the fire and put it out.
I don't think we'll have any mosquitoes now.
Like a whole family was flying. Oh, Jerry!
All right, there he is. All right, now you hang on to him. Don't drop him. Hang on. Right on the end of it. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. Perfect, Dirks. You got it. Turn it. Uh-oh.
That's a big fire.
Dripping.
Come back here. We got our own seat.
All right, he's ready.
First dog of the night. This is the Quechua. So they call this the 2-second tent. It's super easy to set up.
Make sure all these sticks are out of the way.
That's like the same idea of a pack and play.
Yeah.
You just hold it, and pull that up, and then. All right, we gotta get our stakes.
What are these stakes?
It's like it holds. It's like a nail. Oh, look at that granddaddy long leg. They don't bite, so we're okay. So these are metal stakes.
What?
It's basically like a little nail. So can you step on it? Okay. And then let's see. We got. So we're gonna pull it out like this. Get it tight. All right, now can you step on it? There you go. Push.
I think I want you to push.
Yeah, that was kind of tough.
I did not do it.
You did good.
My tongue Saturday.
Not yet, not yet. Get that in.
This my hand. A dirt hand.
See how his is longer?
This one's too short. Ooh. That fire burns your eyes, don't it?
You got a second long stick?
Yep. What? Oh, don't get those up. They'll get all over you. Throw one over there.
Dirks, so since that's why we always have to go far around the fire pit, because if we get too close, that big log they just moved, we don't want it to fall on us. Ooh, that is hot. Ow. I like your stick. You're a wizard, Harry.
There.
Find it.
Stick it in that bottom part, man. It is smoke. Oh, that's ow. Woo! Thought that was a coyote.
Woo! Woo!
Whoa! Whoa!
And we heard an owl in Shelby Forest State Park. It scared me to death. It was loud. But you can actually watch that video now on our channel.
The sweet rolls won't come apart real good. I had to be too sweet.
So sweet.
Dirk, you want anything on it again? Or do you just want hot dog?
You want hot dog.
It's pretty easy to bring homemade.
Oh, homemade relish. Wow. Yeah, I love
I got a spoon in there somewhere.
hot dog and relish.
Yeah.
Just put mustard.
Mm-hmm.
Like, if it wasn't for the mustard, I don't know if I could do it. Thank you, Patty. Whoa.
Glenn is the canner.
X sweet.
He's got like the extra sweet, okay. He's got like a year's worth of stuff canned.
I guess, is that where the salt comes in, or kind of preserves?
No, once you seal it like that,
Mm-hmm.
it's good for a long time.
Really? Wow.
No air ever gets into it.
Not being done.
You got the plain hot dog?
Can you put lime here?
Yeah, the homemade relish is good. You want to make some chocolate chip cookies or so.
Where's our last kitty?
Here we go.
I'm seeing the fluffy.
This is like upgrading s'mores to a new level.
Come on.
Well, what you want to do here is catch it on fire and blow it up. And before it drips off your stick. I mean, that's the kind of fire you can build to make a sword with.
Dirks. It's roasting.
On fire?
Roasted and toasted.
Roasted and toasted.
Oh, what happened to that?
Look here.
What?
That's what we're gonna do. Oh boy.
Oh.
They smush.
Oh, it's the
Drop
cookies.
those in there. We're gonna make a super.
You know, it reminds me of a double doozy,
Uh-huh.
but with it's like a homemade double doozy.
Look at that.
Oh.
More.
Yeah.
That's a
better than a s'more.
Yeah.
Better
That's-
more.
And if we wanted it even messier, we could put a Reese's peanut butter cup or a Kit Kat bar in it.
I want that.
I don't want, I don't want that. That's a bit too. Is it good, Turks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like doing this. I've done this one.
I will
Yeah.
eat it.
Take the 2 cookies. Instead of using graham crackers, we use 2 cookies. Make a homemade double doozy.
I want those things. I love that.
You love those things? Now, if you cook a hot dog with that, now you get a sweet hot dog.
Wait a minute. Did you get my Reese's peanut butter cup down in there that I had sitting there? Waiting on me?
No, I ate it.
You ate it. Ah. Alright.
He took his Kit Kat. He's showing you how to share.
Alright, this is how you share right here. It's better to give.
Get your hands clean. Get some good water to make hot chocolate with.
It's got marshmallows in it already.
The family was flying. Jerry!